Magandang umaga po. My name is Benedict Irwin. Today, I want to show you my book that we do in school as part of our performance task. First is the front cover, where you can see pictures and the title of the book. Those who draw the pictures of the book are called illustrators. You can also see title in the cover, like my book. You can see my title is The Institution ng Mundo. Next is the author. They are the people who write books. Then the table of contents, the list of the book. The names of the chapters helps you find easily the pages. The spine. Like this spine holds the pages together. Lastly, the back cover. The back cover usually has pictures, the price of the book, and sometimes the name of the publisher. And here's what's inside of my book. First is government, second is market, third is school, fourth is house, fifth is health center or hospitals, sixth is church or mosque, seventh is park or garden. Ito ang bumubuo sa isang komunidad. Una, bahay pamahalaan o gobyerno. Pangalawa, pamilihang bayan. Pangatlo, paaralan. Pang-apat, tahanan. Panglima, bahay paggamutan o ospital. Pang-anim, simbahan o moske. Pang-pito, pasyalan. And the first chosen institution and its importance is government or gobyerno. Ito ang namamahala sa kaayusan, katahimikan, at kapayapaan ng mamamayan. Sila rin ang gumagawa ng batas. Kapag walang gobyerno sa bansa na namumuno, magiging magulo ito.